Hi friends, Wendy here. I just wanted to take time to mention Devin Thomas and his profitable PPC course. Devin is one of the most genuine, incredible human beings. I had followed him for quite some time before I purchased profitable PPC, and his attention to detail and heart for the consumer or those running ads is bigger than anybody that I've met in the industry. He is so genuine and he cares more about the human being than he does making a dollar. And he legitimately and genuinely does want you to succeed. And he's there 24/7 to help you. Another thing about Devin and Profitable PPC, he's not going to steer you wrong. If he doesn't know something, you work through an issue together and figure it out together. He's not going to just arbitrarily say something that's false or go with status quo and just say something that just to say something. He really wants to be right. He really wants to steer you in the right direction, and he doesn't deal with industry fodder and all of the buzzwords and all of the things. He's really there to teach you and to make sure that you're taken care of and that everything is okay with your accounts and that you're doing everything the best way possible. Do I recommend? Highly recommend. Devin is a great human. Neptune is phenomenal. I got a wealth of knowledge from Profitable PPC. 10 out of 10 recommend. Thanks, Devin.